My name is Dr. Hani Tyagi. I'm an assistant professor with AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I teach front office operations and management subject. Today we are going to learn about meal plans and types of room rates. Meal plans. Hotel charge room rates on the basis of meals provided or not provided along with room to the guest. As food and beverage is a part of the guest service and also necessity. It is also the product that the hotel sell. So for the convenience of the guest and profitability of hotels, hence a package with one or more meals might be offered. In the next slide, we are going to learn the different types of meal plans. First, European plan, short form as EP. In this plan, the tariff of room includes only the room rate and any meals such as breakfast, lunch and dinner provided will be charged extra, which means the guests are charged separately for all meals in this plan. Second, Continental plan, short form is CP. The room tariff includes, along with room rate, continental breakfast also. Continental breakfast is breakfast comprises of baked products such as assorted bread rolls with butter and preserves with tea or coffee. This plan is mostly preferred by corporate guests. Third, Bermuda plan. This is a modification of continental plan where the breakfast included is American, which is quite heavy in place of a continental breakfast. The room tariff includes room rate and American breakfast. American breakfast comprises of cooked and baked products. It includes eggs, vegetables, cold meat, cereals with hot and cold milk, assorted breads with butter, fruits and fruit juices, and tea or coffee. This plan is also preferred by corporate guests as well as by various tourists. Fourth, Modified American Plan, short form is MAP. The room tariff along with room rates includes breakfast and one of the two major meals, that is either lunch or dinner only, which means there is a choice between lunch or dinner. This may also include early morning tea. Tourists who go out for sightseeing during daytime prefer this plan. Fifth, American plan, short form is AP. The room tariff includes, along with room rate, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which means all three meals are included in this plan. This plan is mostly preferred by holiday makers who stays in resort. Our next topic is introduction to room rate. Room tariff. Room rate, which is also known as room tariff, refers to the charge that is levied to the guest for the usage of rooms on a night basis. Room rate, it is often one of the bases of selection of a particular hotel or room type for stay. Room rate refers to the pricing of room product. Pricing of room attract a specific segment of clientele and based on which services are provided. Hotel can be positioned in the market with right pricing. Hence, types of room rates are very important. Factors affecting room pricing. There are many factors that directly or indirectly affect the room pricing, which are cost, location, competition, and market demand. We'll take one by one these factors. First, cost factor. It is a total expenditure that has been incurred in setup of the room product and services. It is also based on projections of break-even and return on investment consideration. Apart from the fixed cost, operating, overhead, and labor costs are taken into account. Second factor is location. The location of the hotel also commands the price and upmarket downtown or proximity to a place of tourist interest. For example, Sea view or beach view hotels are priced high as compared to the other hotels. Third, competition. The going rate of the market often decides the rate for hotel. Undercutting or maintaining the general market rate is a practical approach followed in pricing of hotel. Fourth, market demand. Management is based on that principle. When the demand is greater than supply, prices are high. And when the supply is greater than demand, prices are low. In the next slide, we will be learning types of room rates. Types of room rates. First, rack rate. The standard rate without any discount published on a tariff card, which is decided by the management, is known as the rack rate, which means it is a fixed rate for a particular category of rooms and there's no discount. This is an old way of commanding a price, and in today's dynamic market, it is no longer in use for star hotels. However, small hotels do follow rack rates. Second, corporate rate. The rates charged to a corporate guest includes some discounts offered to a guest because of the business given to the hotel. It is also known as CVGR, full form is Company Volume Guaranteed Rate. Corporate rates are negotiated and the contracted rates offered to companies that provide frequent business for the hotel or its chain. These companies are qualified by sales representative for the volume of business rates, budgets, and hotels that they use, based on which negotiations, familiarization trips, referrals for proposals are undertaken, and special discounted rates are offered against guaranteed room night per year. Third, travel agent rate. Travel agents are also offered a discounted rate so that they market the hotel product ahead of the competition, which is also being marketed by them. They sell to FIT, full form is Free Individual Traveler, GIT, full form is Group Inclusive Tour, with or without packages, dealing in volume bookings. Hence, offer discounted rates for bookings made through travel agents or tour operators. Fourth, packaged rate. The hotel's package rate usually include special discounted rate to attract and encourage purchase, especially during time of low occupancy. These rates are often bundled with various services like meals, transportations for pickup and drop, etc. Weekend rate and weekday rate are examples of packaged rate. Weekend rate. A commercial hotel which relies heavily on the business traveler typically has a low occupancy rate on weekends. A special weekend rate may apply for weekend packages, usually Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights. Weekday rate. This rate, which is applicable only on weekdays, that is from Monday to Thursday, it is usually in resort properties which typically have strong weekend occupancy and often experience low occupancy during the week. To boost low occupancy levels, hotel offer a promotional package rate. Fifth, crib rate, a special rate applicable to children below 11 years of age and accompanying their parents and staying with them in the room. A special crib cot is provided in such cases. Sixth, best available rate, short form is BAR, also called as bar of the day. It is also called as hurdle rate. These rates are the lowest discounted rate available for a day which can be offered to the guest. These rates are decided by revenue manager or front office manager on the basis of yield management. This rate fluctuates based on the forecasted demand, which is volatile. This rate changes according to the occupancy of the hotel. Seventh, seasonal rate. Some hotels, especially resorts, have a distinct peak season which have a high demand and off season with slack or low demand. During this distinct season, the different rates are offered to guests, high rate during high demand and low rates during low demand. Hill station resorts are a good example to cite this kind of rate. 8th, group rate. 10 or more than 10 persons traveling together are known as group. A special discounted rates are applicable to groups. Owing to the bulk purchase, if room positions looks unfavorable, is to tempting a business to refuse, so group booking have the power to negotiate a special concessional rate for the group. It is also called as flat rate. Ninth, day rate. Applicable to the guest prefers to stay during the day and not to stay overnight, typically between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. These rates are usually found in transit hotels. It helps hotels to sell the same room twice in a day, thereby increasing revenue. 10th, airline rate. It is a discounted rate given to airline companies when they give business in the form of stay of their crew members or layovers. Crew members are airline pilot, cabin crew, air hostess, and layovers. Layovers are those passengers whose principal flight may be delayed due to situation which may be beyond the control of the airline company. Hence, passengers with confirmed seats on a flight are then booked into a hotel near the airport. This rate is also called as incentive rate and crew rate. 11th, complimentary room rate. A room rate with zero room charge which is offered to special guests, industry leader, government officials, etc., which may be important for hotel business and popularity in future. 12th, house use rate. A room rate with zero room charge which is used for rooms stays for hotel purpose. Example, manager on duty, in-house general manager or resident manager who stays in hotel. Let's recap today's session. We learned types of meal plans. First, EP, European plan, which is room rate only. CP, continental plan, room rate plus continental breakfast. BP, Bermuda plan, room rate and American breakfast. MAP, modified American plan, which is room rate, breakfast, lunch or dinner, which means any two meals. AP, American plan, which means room rate, breakfast, lunch and dinner, which is part of this plan. All three meals are inclusive in this plan. We also learned types of room rates. We'll briefly revise each rate. Rack rate, which is published on tariff card without any discount. Corporate rate. Corporate is also known as CVGR. Full form is Company Volume Guaranteed Rate, given to the companies for providing business in volume. Travel agent rate, which is given to travel agents and tour operators for providing business in volume to hotels. Package rate, special discounted rate to attract and encourage purchase during time of low occupancy. Weekend and weekday rates are example of package rate. Crib rate, applicable to kids accompanying their parents and staying in their room, age category of 5 to 11 years. BAR, best available rate, also known as hurdle rate. It is the lowest discounted rate of the day, generally in hotel called as bar of the day. Seasonal rate are applicable during distinct season, like a high rate during high demand and low rates during low demand. Group rate, it is offered to a group comprises of 10 to 15%. Day rate, this rate is applicable to the guest who stays only during daytime, especially from morning 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Airline rate, this rate is applicable to the airline passengers and crew members. Complimentary room rate, it is a room rate with zero room charge. House use rate, this room rate is also with zero room charge used for hotel purpose. I request all viewers to attempt the quiz after watching this video by clicking on the link given for quiz. While making this clip, have also referred few books. For further information and reference, you may also refer these books. Thank you for watching my video.